Marka, let's begin. L for lemon. L for lemon. Lemon waa liin. Lemon waa liin. Repeat. L for ladder. L for ladder. Ladder waa jaranjaro. Ladder waa jaranjaro. Repeat. M for milk. M for milk. Milk waa caano. Caano. Milk waa caano. Repeat. M for medicine. Waa ku soo celinayaa. M for medicine. Medicine waa daawo. Medicine waa daawo. Repeat. Nurse. N for nurse. In Somali, nurse waa kalkaaliye. Say it with me. Nurse waa kalkaaliye. Repeat. N for nail. N for nail. Nail waa musmaar. Ila dhaha. N for nail. Nail waa musmaar. Repeat. O for oven. O for oven. Oven waa foorno. Oven waa foorno. You repeat. O for ox. O for ox. Ox waa dibi. Ox waa dibi. Repeat. P for plate. P for plate. Plate is sahan. Sahan. I just replaced the wa with is for the English speakers to understand what wa means. Now you try it. P for pasta. P for pasta. Pasta is basto. Again, pasta is basto. Just the letters that changed, but the pronunciation is almost the same. In this case, this is a plate of pasta. Somali in me just jumped out. This is a plate of pasta. Now you say it. So guys, we're concluding our lesson today with one piece of advice that I strongly believe in. Simply be kind, always. No matter what, no matter the situation, be kind. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment down below, hit the bell icon for new uploads every Monday and Friday. Inshallah, have a nice weekend.